Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A CNC computer numerical control router machine is a powerful, versatile tool used for cutting, engraving, and carving various materials like wood, plastics, metals, and even foam. Unlike manual routing, a CNC router is automated, relying on pre-programmed software to control the cutting path, which allows for high precision and consistency in complex designs. These machines are popular in industries such as woodworking, signage, metal fabrication, and furniture making, as well as among hobbyists and makers. With a CNC router, users can produce intricate designs and shapes with ease, all while reducing human error and enhancing productivity. The top CNC router machines come with a range of features, from various working areas to advanced software compatibility and build quality, making them suitable for different applications, from industrial-grade projects to DIY crafts. Number 5. Vevor S4040 CNC Router Machine. The Vevor S4040 CNC Router Machine is a solid, entry to mid-level machine well suited for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and small business users looking to perform precise engraving and carving on various materials. Here's an overview of its key strengths and areas for potential improvement. The Vevor S4040 CNC Router Machine is a great value for hobbyists and small workshop users looking for a reliable machine with a good working area and solid engraving capabilities. While it might not handle heavy industrial tasks, it's a strong performer in its class, excelling at detailed engravings on wood, plastic, and light metals. For those new to CNC routing or looking to expand their capabilities without a large investment, the Vevor S4040 is a worthwhile choice. Number 4. 2 Trees TTC 450 CNC Router Machine. The 2 Trees TTC 450 CNC Router Machine is a versatile CNC machine designed for makers, hobbyists, and small business users seeking precision in engraving, milling, and cutting various materials. Here's a closer look at its features, capabilities, and what to expect from the CNC router. The 2 Trees TTC 450 CNC Router Machine is a well-rounded choice for those looking for flexibility and high precision in a CNC router and laser engraver. With its solid build, compatibility with GRBL software, and ability to work with a range of materials, it's a suitable option for both DIY enthusiasts and small business owners who value quality and versatility in their tools. However, it may require some initial setup and learning, especially for beginners. Overall, the TTC 450 is a great investment for creative projects and detailed CNC work. Number 3. FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine is an impressive tool designed for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and small workshops looking for an affordable and capable CNC router. Here's a breakdown of its key features, performance, and overall value. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro is a fantastic choice for hobbyists, DIYers, and small workshops seeking a reliable, cost-effective CNC machine. While it's not intended for industrial-grade tasks, its performance on wood, acrylic, and similar materials is solid, delivering quality results for various creative projects. This machine's flexibility, GRBL compatibility, and ease of use make it an attractive option for those new to CNC work or those with less demanding projects. Number 2. 2 Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router Machine. The 2 Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router Machine is a versatile and robust CNC router designed for DIY enthusiasts and small-scale professionals. Built with a durable combination of aluminum profiles and plastic, the TTC 450 Pro offers a high-quality, stable frame that enhances precision and accuracy. The 2 Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router Machine is an excellent choice for users seeking precision, ease of use, and versatility in a compact machine. While it may have limitations in terms of power for hard materials and continuous operation time, it excels in precision and compatibility with different software. This CNC router machine is a solid choice for DIY projects, small businesses, and hobbyists looking for high-quality, detailed engravings on various soft materials. Number 1. Bulkman 3D WBF SPRA 5 CNC Router Machine. The Bulkman 3D WBF SPRA 5 CNC Router Machine is a robust and versatile tool, perfect for both hobbyists and professional users looking for a reliable CNC router with excellent precision and flexibility. The Bulkman 3D WBF SPRA 5 CNC Router Machine is a solid choice for those looking for a CNC machine with a good balance of power, accuracy, and flexibility. Its strong build, precision drive system, and customizable spindle options make it ideal for a range of applications. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to expand your projects or a professional in need of a reliable router, the WBF SPRA 5 offers excellent value. Thanks for watching this video.